Hey guys, it's Shannon. Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. So recently I posted on my Instagram a picture of my tools and said that they had gotten a bath. And I had several of you comment under that post, how do you clean your tools? So I thought that would make a perfect Quick Tip Tuesday. So let me show you how I clean my power tools. So it really doesn't take long at all for a miter saw or any kind of saw for that matter to just get covered in sawdust. Even after a couple cuts, you're gonna have a big sawdust mess. And so what I like to do is I actually take a broom, or you can use any kind of brush, and I brush all of the sawdust off onto the floor as much as I can. And that's kind of a quick way to just get rid of the sawdust. And but to deep clean it, I actually I use my air compressor here hooked up to a hose, and then this little air gun tool here, and that is how I get all of the dust out of these little crevices and anything that kind of gets built up in the cracks and all that kind of thing. And I actually use this on all of my tools. So even my sander here that gets, all kinds of dust on the fabric and inside those little air vents there. So I will actually show you as I give these guys a quote unquote bath. So here's the look at kind of an after of what it all looks like after most of the sawdust has been blown off of there, and it just kind of sparkles and shines after that. I love it, and it's just really easy. Obviously, make sure you're wearing eye protection and you cover your mouth and nose, because there will be a lot of sawdust flying around in the air. So I hope that this quick tip helped you. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you guys have any other questions for me for an upcoming Quick Tip Tuesday. Hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.